like big unity where the people will contribute their voices and act together. So something like this. As I told you before, we don't know how it will happen. We don't know the name of this. So only in collaboration we can create it.
Yes, yes, agreed. Let's talk about that time measurement. Why do you think it's important to have our own time, and how do you think about it? Like, um, what's your way of helping communities organize their own time, and what has worked so far?
We're still working on this idea because it's coming about the question of time. What is time as it is?
Mm,
So the group of the people can create their own time, which will coordinate them. So as we now live by 2024 from the Christ, but and we have the months and we have the daytime. So actually, nobody stops us to create something which will fit our community or fit our ideas. So, and by time you can coordinate a big amount of the people without such things as the internet messagings or to the task or whatever. So you can wake up, look on your community clock, and you can understand what we all doing right now. And you can do it, you cannot. But if this time will be shared by a lot of the people around the world, and everybody will do a small things on its place according to this kind of the time, so there will be accumulate a big changes. So just imagine if every person in the world in one time it raises their awareness about like this problem. For example, just simple like that. And another time, everyone in the world doing something in another problem. So, for example, I'm not a powerful person. I'm in community, but I'm not a powerful person. So I just can post something about this. And I am, for example, another person is powerful. Maybe he something important in the government or whenever he can not tell anybody, but so he will do on his place
mm,
also as things which affect in the same direction as all the people. So whenever it is, it can we can program in the time our future changes. So if we
nice.
will create this kind of the program where we will put in the final as an idea and calculate all the steps round. So everybody will have a clock when he say, okay, now it's time for that. Because why I'm wearing this clock, which shows me that time, because I want this result happen in the future. So more or less, it's it's about the time ideas, time research, what we're doing for communities.
Super exciting. This is a big topic, and yeah, I'm really curious how to support you in this because I can sense that can be a very, very effective tool for coordination and for privacy and for security of the collaborative action that we can take in the future. Awesome. What do you think about security and privacy in general? Do you think we need our own layer of the internet? Do you think we need our own technologies? For example, what Logos is doing with their technology stack for network states? Do you think we need all of that?
I mean, if I think there should be. I think it's for the future of communities, or future of the people. I think it should be two absolutely different things, but together, like a plus and minus. So it should be absolutely anonymous space with where nobody knows each other, where like absolutely anonymous connection and anonymous things because it's